right, y'all, I am headed to a baseball game tonight for my cousin's birthday. You cannot ask me anything about baseball, but you can ask me anything about these cupcakes, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do them. So I am just gonna make these simple cupcakes look just like a little baseball for anyone to enjoy. Okay, I always recommend having a paper plate or like parchment paper or anything that is easily disposable to practice on. So we're gonna make the laces of the baseball. So just practice typing before you do it on your cupcakes so you don't mess up all of your cupcakes and you're prepared before you do them on the actual cupcake. So I'm gonna start with making the two base lines. Now that I have my two base lines, I'm gonna take with really light pressure, just little lines coming into this line. Like this, all the way down. Okay, so as you can see, this isn't perfect, but it's because it's my practice. So on these, they'll look super cute, but that's the reason you practice on your plate. So now I can set this aside and start on the cupcakes. Okay, I have a Wilton 2A tip, which is just a really big round tip. So I am going to start in the middle of my cupcake, and I'm just gonna hold pressure pushing out. And then when it's time to stop, I pull tight. All right, now we're gonna do exactly what we practiced on our paper plate onto our cupcakes, making sure to go slow and steady so that we don't mess up our clean white icing. All right, and for any reason, if you do mess up, a toothpick is gonna be your very best friend. So I'm just gonna go on top of wherever I messed up and use a toothpick to just pick up the red. And then we can go back and clean up the white with our toothpick. And the good news is there's gonna be laces right there anyway, so it's all okay. All right, you can see I've done one lace on this, and all of my like arrow laces are pointing towards me. So the one on the other side is going to point the opposite way so that it looks like the laces are wrapped around the whole ball. And you better pull up a chair because this takes a while. All right, I have finished our baseball cupcakes. I think they turned out so cute. I can't wait to see Owen's reaction to these cupcakes. He's going to love them. But I hope to see all of you make the exact same thing and tag me in it so I can see. But until then, I'm going to the ballpark.